Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I am reviewing the slime and needle we got from Walmart. I hope you enjoy. First item we have that we are going to be reviewing is the cotton candy fizz slime. This slime is very amazing. It has great pokes and bubble pops and barely any snow fallout. I love the texture and the scent. If you see this in store, I would definitely say to take it. The next item we are reviewing is the needle. I love this fidget so much. It feels so soft and nice. I love how when you squeeze it you get a different color. The needle also sticks on the wall when you throw it. I got scared at first because it wasn't coming down, but then it did. I was so surprised. I found this at Walmart for only $3. If you see it, buy it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Bye.